Welcome to Vim Tip of the Day, day 26. Today I want to show you some powerful ways to do copy and pasting. So let's say I wanted to have two blocks of code that I want to copy and paste multiple times in different areas of my code. So the first block is the 5 lines I see starting on line 2. I can do 5 YY, which yanks the 5 lines into my buffer. So it shows here on the bottom, 5 lines have been yanked. So I go to line 13, I paste it. Okay, so that's great. What if I want to copy the next section of code, 8 to 13? So if I do the same thing, do 6YY, that would yank and override what I just copied from line 2. So what if I don't want to do that? So what I could do is name a register. So using double quotes, I want to name it A, so double quotes A, 6YY. From that point forward, if I go to the end of the file, if I do double quotes A and P to paste, that will always be able to reference a name register A. And if you look at the registers using :reg, that shows you that I have 2 registers, 0 register, and I also have my A register. So that allows me to say, I want to paste from 0, I want to paste from A. Okay, so let's try that. So previously I had copied the code that was from 107097, right? And just to double check, that is register 0. So register 0 shows me what code I copied. So from here, I can now go back and say register 0, which is double quote 0P. I can do that as many times as I want. So double quote 0P. Okay, so if I want to paste from register A, let me double check what's in there, which is reg A. If you pay attention to the bottom here, that shows me my register is starting with the 6 nines. So then I can say register A, which is double quote AP, or double quote 0, register 0P. So this is a really powerful way for you to copy and paste without deleting what was previously copied in your buffer. I hope that was useful to you.